We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud.